Hey everyone, in this video let's talk about how you can sign up with Pocket Option. In order to do so, first off, here we are at pocketoption.com, and once you're here then you should see the option to either register or log in. Start in with one click. Or on the right hand side, you'll see here that you have the option to sign up with your email and password. You can enter in a promo code if you wish, or you can sign up with Google. We're going to go ahead and sign up with Google just because that is the easiest way to go about it. So we're just going to click on that. And now that we have clicked on that, it automatically is going to log us in with our Google account. And that's all there is to it. We have successfully logged in with Pocket Option. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.